I'm going to be adding is my honey. I'm going to be getting a teaspoon of honey. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If today is your first day of coming across my video or seeing my face, you are highly welcome to this channel. My name is SA Unique. If you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and also turn on the post notification, which is that bell icon up there. Turn it on so when next I upload any amazing video, you will be the first to be notified. So today I want to share a very simple and powerful home remedy that you are going to be preparing with just 3 ingredients. This remedy is for the women. If you have not gotten to the age of menopause and your period just decide to cease just like that, don't worry. This remedy is going to help to bring back that ceased period that you have not seen for some time. So it is going to help you to bring it back. So if you want to see this amazing home remedy, how I'm going to prepare it, how you are going to be drinking it, just stay tuned. Continue watching this video to the end to see this amazing remedy I'm going to be sharing, okay? To prepare this remedy to bring back your ceased period, to make it be regular, this is the first item I need. This is ginger. You can see how fresh and organic it is. You are going to be getting a fresh ginger, raw one, or you can equally use dry ginger, the powdered one. If you have it, it's also good for it. So what I'm going to be doing is to first of all cut my ginger. I'm going to be using this part, but first of all I'm going to be washing it. Make sure you wash it properly because I'm not going to be removing the skin. That is why I'm going to wash it properly. I'm washing it 2 times. You can see the water is dirty. I'm changing it to take another clean water. So this is the second time I'm washing it. You can see I have another clean water. I'm making sure that I wash it properly, because you are going to be drinking this. That is why you have to wash it very well. Make sure it is clean very well, okay? So after washing it, you can see it is properly clean now. I'm removing this part, also this part, also this part, then the bottom part of it, and this part also. I'm removing it. So what I'm going to be doing now is to cut this to tiny pieces. If you are using a raw ginger, make sure it is very fresh. So after cutting them to pieces, now I'm going to transfer it to my pot. So I'm going to pour in 1 cup of water. Then I'm going to take this to my gas cooker to cook this for 15 to 20 minutes. Then after, I will come back. Continue washing, guys, so that you will see the other ingredients I'm going to add to it to make it very effective. So guys, after cooking this for some minutes, this is it. Now, because it's still very hot, I'm going to allow it to cool down for some minutes before I will strain it and add the remaining ingredients to it. So guys, after cooling down, now I'm going to get a strainer and a cup, a glass cup and a strainer. This is the strainer. I'm just going to strain out the water into the cup. Make sure you don't mess up the whole place like I did here. So now I'm going to get my second item, which is lemon. If you have lime, that work perfectly also. You can equally use lime, but I'm going to be using lemon. I'm going to be taking the bigger part. I will press it into the cup also. I need the juice. So guys, the last item I'm going to be adding is my honey. I'm going to be getting a teaspoon of honey. You can see this is a teaspoon of honey. Then I will mix it together. This, you are going to be taking this first thing in the morning. If you experience that your period is not forthcoming, it has been ceased for some weeks or months, not too long, you are going to be taking this first thing early in the morning. Take it. Then if you see that the period is still not coming out, then in the evening also take this last thing in the evening before going to bed. In the morning you are going to notice some discharge from your body. It is a normal thing. Then you can start seeing your period again. Okay, so guys, this is it. It is very good. This is going to help to clean those dirty in your body also. This is going to help to bring that irregular period very fast, that cease period. This is going to help you to bring it very fast, and also help blood to flow in those your organs where those places that are not be functioning well in your body. It is also going to help to make it to function well, and also this is going to make your body to look okay. So this is it. I'm going to be drinking mine now. Fine. It is very hot because of the ginger, but try it. You are going to enjoy it. It is very good. I advise you to try it. This is going to help to bring back your ceased period very fast. Okay, and also help to clean your body very well. So if you have been watching my video since and you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and also turn on the post notification, which is that bell icon up there. Turn it on so when next I upload, you will be amazed and get notification of my amazing upload. See you all in my next one. Bye.